Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
For the only reliable home method, measure ingredients precisely. Use 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Chill everything. Chill the cream, bowl, and beaters for at least 15 minutes so the fat whips cleanly and traps air. Use a metal bowl and cold beaters straight from the fridge. The physics of cold fat is key. This method is the only way to get stable, airy whipped cream without stabilizers, and it minimizes surprises during whipping. Begin with an electric mixer on medium speed. Start whisking at medium speed for about 30 seconds until soft peaks form and the cream thickens. Increase to high speed and beat 15 to 30 seconds more for medium peaks, 45 to 60 seconds for stiff peaks depending on your mixer and temperature. Watch closely. Stop as soon as peaks hold shape to avoid overwhipping into butter. If you need firmer cream, fold in chilled stabilizer, gently rather than continuing to whip at high speed. After whipping, refrigerate immediately and use whipped cream within 24 hours when refrigerated at 40 degrees F or below. It will gradually weep and soften. If you need extra holding power for cakes or piping, stabilize 1 cup of cream with 1 tablespoon cornstarch or 1 ounce cream cheese, folded in gently at the end. For service, pipe with a 1M tip or spoon onto desserts immediately before serving. If it sits too long, it collapses. Re-whisk briefly on low speed to revive slightly, but do not overbeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.